To reduce, reuse and recycle waste is an extremely important component these days of building a resilient economy, but also to create a livable and a sustainable environment for all of our citizens.
The South African Constitution mandates local government to promote a safe and healthy environment. As a result, this places a huge responsibility on local municipalities to ensure that they are playing a central role in the adaptation and mitigation of climate change.
Green Cape works at the interface between business, academia and government to drive the widespread adoption of economically viable green economy solutions in Africa. Through our partnership with the Friedrich Naumann Foundation, we have identified that a number of municipalities right across the country are implementing a range of innovative, sustainable and replicable green economy solutions for addressing urgent service delivery needs in the country. We received numerous worthy applications for the 2021 Green Economy Change Champions competition. From the 5 selected finalists, which were adjudicated by a diverse panel of judges, the City of Tshwane municipality's project on the beneficiation of sewage sludge was selected as the competition winner.
The beneficiation of sewage sludge is a process where we take a waste product, turn it into a commercial fertilizer product for commercial use.
Traditional disposal of sewage sludge by making use of sacrificial lands, landfill sites and uncontrolled disposal on farmlands causes damage to the groundwater.
We start off by mechanical dewatering of the sludge. Once that has been done, we take it out for solar drying on the slabs, where we dry it to a certain moisture content before we put it into windrows for composting and stabilization of the product. Once that has been completed, we do some final drying towards it, and then we move it into our plant where we granulate and disinfect the product. Once that has been done, it comes back for final drying, and then it's a matter of screening and coating the product, and then the product is sent off to our blending plants where we produce products specific for the farming industry.
This project is a fully fledged pilot project and it went through all the normal procurement channels. So the Municipal Finance Management Act allows for us to engage with the industry.
The first challenge is obviously your procurement legislation. It's very difficult to get a long-term contract for such an investment. Secondly, the challenge is just to get access to the material, which is not freely available to entrepreneurs like ourselves. We are very proud and thankful for the Tshwane City Council that they facilitated that process.
The first challenge that we experienced in rolling out this project was inconsistent quality and quantity of sludge that is being produced and supplied to a possible contractor. We have overcome this by enforcing our industrial bylaws so that we can monitor what is being discharged into the sewer network that will become eventually captured in the sewage sludge. The other problem that we first need to address also is to make sure that the macroeconomics of the plant is big enough so that it is becoming economically feasible.
Running a full-scale pilot project resulted in us creating 15 direct jobs and 8 indirect jobs. But more critically, we are taking 6,000 tons of sludge off the landfill sites and converting that to useful fertilizer that can go back into our soils to nourish and develop food.
In terms of climate change, first of all, we capture carbon in the soils with the product, and secondly, we limit the methane emissions in these processes that we utilize.
We now have a blueprint to take this process, duplicate it in other wastewater treatment plants.
SALGA is delighted that through this competition, local municipalities are able to celebrate and to share the learnings on the green solutions that they are implementing. It provides an opportunity for other municipalities that are aspiring to find innovative solutions to the challenges that we are facing.
Green Cape's vision is a thriving, prosperous Africa mobilized by the green economy. And through this competition, we really want to encourage municipalities to feel free to reach out to us for support.